Yeah, of course.
When I experienced the French system, that was the
Oh,
worst for
very
me.
straight.
That was the
Yeah.
worst for me in terms of like calendar, in terms of like deliverables and so on. So I think is like how does it needs to evolve, but also adapt to the elite athlete, but maybe it needs first to benchmark a certain type of education system and use that as first like a framework.
Yeah.
But if you are, let's say, I mean, when I was at PSG, I mean, French school was just impossible.
Yeah.
Not that, you know, just from a schedule perspective, number of commitment, like homework, things like that.
Imagine if you're a kid coming from South America and you're dropped, bang, into a system that you've never encountered with a language that you've never, ever, ever had to learn.
Well, they tend to not do that technically.
Do they? Because I hear they do.
I'm not sure about which clubs, but I think nowadays for sure they're not doing it.